One of the most common questions we get asked at West Michigan Power Cleaning is, what is the proper procedure to clean a deck? Well, the first thing I'm going to show you today is how to clean a dirty soiled deck with a standard 25-degree tip, and we've got a 3000 psi, 3 gallon per minute pressure washer. Always maintain a consistent distance away from the deck. Walk in nice, even steps. Sweep out of the board, sweep back in. If you don't maintain a consistent distance away from the deck, this is what's going to happen. We've got spots that are cleaner than others. Here we're not as clean as we should be, and here we got a little bit too close, which actually furred the wood up a little bit.